In Texas history, the first inhabitants were Native American tribes, and you'll learn what they are through the year. And they would have planted a mound. This is intercropping organics way back. They would have in a mound planted corn, and around the corn would grow pole beans, and over as a ground cover would have been squash, and sometimes native sunflowers to bring in pollinators also. They would have traditionally planted a dead fish at the bottom of the mound, so as it decomposed, it would feed these plants. So we use fish emulsion to mimic this in the garden. You can see it's a lot of that first number, NPK, and so nitrogen is for early growth, for green growth, growth of leaves, so the plant can begin to make food for itself.